Where is the dairy section?
It's in aisle 4 next to the bakery.
What kind of milk do you usually buy?
I usually buy low-fat milk for my family.
How much is this cheese?
It costs $5 for 1 block.
Where can I find fresh bread?
You can find it near the entrance of the store.
Do you know where the sugar is?
Yes, it's on the second shelf in aisle 6.
What kind of fruits are fresh today?
The apples and oranges look really fresh today.
Where can I get some eggs?
You can find them in the refrigerator section.
How much are these bananas?
They're $1 per pound.
Where is the vegetable section?
It's right behind the fruit section.
Which bread do you recommend?
The whole grain bread tastes really good.
Where can I find frozen food?
It's in the last aisle near the back of the store.
What kind of snacks are popular?
Chips and cookies are always popular here.
Where can I find rice and flour?
You can find them in aisle 7.
How much is this pack of pasta?
It's around $2 per pack.
Where can I get bottled water?
You'll find it near the soda section.
Which juice do you prefer?
I like orange juice with no added sugar.
Where are the cleaning supplies?
They're in aisle 9 next to detergents.
How much is this washing powder?
It's about $6 for a large pack.
Where can I get toilet paper?
It's near the tissue and napkin section.
What kind of cereal do you eat?
I usually eat cornflakes in the morning.
Where is the meat section?
It's on the right side near the back.
How much is the chicken per kilo?
It's around $7 per kilo.
Where can I get some fish?
You can find it at the seafood counter.
Which vegetables are on sale today?
Tomatoes and onions are on sale today.
Where can I find canned food?
It's in aisle 8 beside the sauces.
How much is this can of soup?
It's $1.50 each.
Where can I get cooking oil?
It's on the third shelf in aisle 5.
What kind of oil do you buy?
I usually buy sunflower oil.
Where can I find tea and coffee?
They're in aisle 2 beside sugar.
Which coffee do you like?
I prefer instant coffee for quick mornings.
Where are the chocolates kept?
They're near the cash counter.
How much is this chocolate bar?
It's $1.20.
Where can I get a shopping basket?
You can grab one at the entrance.
Where are the trolleys kept?
They're outside near the main door.
How can I find the price of this item?
You can check it at the price scanner near aisle 3.
Where can I pay for my groceries?
You can pay at any checkout counter.
What time does this supermarket close?
It closes at 10 p.m. every day.
How often do you shop here?
I shop here twice a week.
Where can I find the spices?
They're in aisle 10 near the sauces.
What kind of spices do you use often?
I often use black pepper and cumin.
Where can I find butter and yogurt?
They're in the refrigerated section.
How much is this pack of butter?
It's $3 for 1 pack.
Where can I get some snacks for kids?
They're in aisle 1 near the candies.
Which brand of chips is your favorite?
I like the spicy flavor from Lay's.
Where are the cold drinks?
They're in the refrigerator near the checkout.
How much is this bottle of juice?
It's $2.50.
Where can I get a discount card?
You can get it from the customer service desk.
What are the deals today?
There's a buy one, get one offer on cereals.
Where can I return this item?
You can return it at the customer service counter.
How long do returns take?
They usually take 5 to 10 minutes.
Where is the baby products section?
It's near the pharmacy area.
What kind of baby food do they sell?
They sell cereals, purees, and milk powder.
Where can I get shampoo and soap?
They're in aisle 11 near cosmetics.
Which shampoo do you recommend?
The herbal one works really well.
Where can I find the biscuits?
They're in aisle 3 near the snacks.
How much is this packet of biscuits?
It's $1 per pack.
Where can I find ketchup and sauces?
They're beside the canned food section.
Which sauce do you like most?
I love chili garlic sauce.
Where is the cash counter?
It's straight ahead near the exit.
How long is the queue today?
It's quite short right now.
Where can I pack my groceries?
You can use the counter next to the cashier.
Do they accept credit cards here?
Yes, they accept all major cards.
Where can I find the bakery items?
They're right next to the dairy section.
What kind of cakes do they have?
They have chocolate, vanilla, and fruit cakes.
Where can I get ice cream?
It's in the frozen section.
How much is this tub of ice cream?
It's $4 for one tub.
Where can I find napkins and tissues?
They're near the cleaning supplies aisle.
Which tissue brand do you buy?
I usually buy the softest one available.
Where can I find noodles?
They're beside the rice and pasta section.
How much is this packet of noodles?
It's $1 for each pack.
Where can I find salt and pepper?
They're on the top shelf in aisle 5.
Which salt do you prefer?
I prefer Himalayan pink salt.
Where can I get a shopping receipt?
The cashier gives it after payment.
What should I do if the price is wrong?
You can tell the cashier to check again.
Where can I find the store manager?
You can find them near the front desk.
How do I join the supermarket membership?
You can fill a form at customer service.
Where can I find organic food?
It's in the special organic section.
What kind of organic items are available?
They have fruits, vegetables, and grains.
Where can I get some frozen pizza?
It's in the freezer section near ice cream.
How much is this frozen pizza?
It's $6 each.
Where can I buy some snacks for a party?
You can find them in aisle 1 and 2.
Which drink goes best with snacks?
Cold soda or juice works best.
Where can I find the payment counter for self-checkout?
It's beside the regular counters on the right.
How do I use the self-checkout machine?
You scan your items and pay by card or cash.